Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to Walmart. So anyways, we're going to Walmart for mainly to fix up my beauty room. Okay, we're gonna get some paints, some paint rollers, whatever. My husband gotta help me with this, that's why he's here. Because I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I know how to paint. I painted a house before, no bullshit. I have, but I need help. Like, actually making sure I get everything right, because I don't want to have to go back out and go back to another store. Go back to another store. So basically, we're gonna get the paint, the rollers, some brushes. We're gonna get spray paints, because I gotta spray paint something. And I already got some like artwork, like framed artwork for my wall and some decorative shelves already. And I'm really excited because now we're gonna paint. So today I'm gonna be doing a lot of work. So yeah, I will be back when we get to Walmart, and then you'll see me then. All right, we'll be there in a few minutes. All right. Hi guys, we're officially at Walmart. Now I didn't ask them to film. I hope, I didn't ask them to film. So I'm hoping they don't tell me to stop. But like I said, we're here to get some stuff for the beauty room. So I'm just like looking, and like, you know, right now we're in kitchenware, and I'm just looking at what else I can get. I hope they don't tell me to stop filming, because my camera's so big. Why am I whispering? My camera's so big. It has my microphone on top. So it's like big. Come on. And my kids are like continuously talking about everything they see they want. As y'all know, if you have kids when you shop. So you're gonna see me twist around a lot and move around a lot, so I don't get nobody's face in my video, because that's kind of disrespectful, just to like get somebody in the video without their permission, or you know, whatever. And I think that's why a lot of places don't want you filming, honestly, because they don't want people's faces in it. So I just gotta make sure I don't get nobody's face. Yeah, you too, baby. You wanna get in?
Guy, what's good?
Say what's up.
It's cool, man. We at the lens store, you heard? Holla. What's up, little guys?
Now you gotta subscribe. Darci Sanchez.
Subscribe. Ooh.
You guys say subscribe to my mommy's channel.
That's nice. That's nice.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm definitely subscribing. Let me know. What is it called?
Darci Sanchez.
Nazi Sanchez?
Darci.
Darci.
Yep. Alright. Look at that. Earning subscribers.
Mommy.
Earning subscribers. Come on, come down. What are you doing? Look at that. Oh, that was cool. Now he just told you guys where I live. Who said I live there? I'm just shopping you. Nah, you know what? I don't care. I do. Unfortunately, I live in Lynn right now. Unfortunately. But that's where we reside. I want to get a stool where I have a stool. And I'm thinking of like getting something like, oh no, this is not fabric. The fabric's over there. That was cool, huh, babe? So I don't usually film in public, so I'm new to this. Like, I was thinking of getting something like this for my studio.
Guys, stay right here.
Some lights like this. These are white string lights, look, babe. But I don't know yet. Like, I don't know. Or even these, babe, huh? Or even these. But those are colorful, and I don't want colors. Like, we have these lights over here. All these lights. All these lights. Those are cool. I like these.
I love a lamp.
Oh, that's cool, but I want something on the wall. Like, oh, look. These are little string ones. Oh, what? Look at that. String. It's like wire, but it's.
I've seen a lot of gurus with it.
It's
a lot of gurus. Oh, black.
It's like why. You guys want to know my pet peeve in stores? This. I fucking hate that, you guys. That's so nasty and disgusting.
Stay here.
Look at my kids. Get over here right now. Vamos.
For the
Oh. Oh. No, I don't need a black light. This is cool. Look at the rock. I don't know. What do you think of these, babe? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of them. But I don't know where I would put these, honestly. I don't know. Let's come back to that. Lights. Come on.
Put them right in the wall. Papi.
Oh, this is cute. Home sweet home. Oh, it's a chalkboard.
Mommy, look, a
Chalkboard. I love Walmart, you guys. Like, I could come here all the time. Oh, this is kind of cute. No, it's not.
Whoa!
I just got a bunch of pictures yesterday. Like, cute little artwork pictures and stuff.
Let me do.
Alright, so we're gonna get over there and I'll be back in a sec. Okay, guys? Alright, guys, so we are officially in the painting section. Getting some paints. Look at my little ones hugging. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Say please subscribe to my mama's channel. Subscribe. Alright, so they can't mix, go figure, the luck I have. They cannot mix paint today and I need to get my beauty room done today. So, yeah. We got all the stuff we need to paint and set up and I'll be back in a few minutes, alright? Bye. Hey everyone, alright, so far we are working on the beauty room. It's taking a little longer than I thought. But, well, not really. I mean, it's only Sunday. We started to purchase the stuff on Friday. And we started a little bit on Friday, like patching up all the like little marks and holes in the wall. But yeah, like I said, I have a job. I'm not rich, I'm not bougie. I mean, majority of my makeup collection right now is drugstore. I do get high ends, but that is a special treat for me because I am a mom of 2 toddlers, and like I said, I work at Dunks, and right now I am working my way up to be assistant manager. I would love to move up to that, but we'll see. So I'm going to show you guys the before look of the beauty room and then the after look, because we are changing everything. My vanity is not in this room right now, it's in the other room because we're in the process of moving some things out because we're about to paint. So you're gonna see a lot, like we put tape around the wall to start painting, and we patched up all like the holes, like we pulled the, you know, like nails, tacks, whatever out the wall, and patched up all the holes and some more stuff, and yeah. So this room was a hot mess. Like, we wasn't planning on staying here. It's supposed to be a temporary living situation, and it ended up being longer than it was. So we never did work to it because we thought we was gonna move quicker. We are moving, but we thought we was gonna move earlier than now. We thought we was gonna move a long time ago, but we ended up staying for 3 years. So yeah, let's take a look at this room. All right, so we got a little paint set right there, the roller and all that. That's all like our trash, some of our trash. The walls, all these shades, all these rips. Like, come on, you guys, look at this. This is what I've been doing. Look at this. All this rips. Like that's, now I gotta go. So all these rich ones, they look, you know, like dirty. We put that on there because we don't want people looking at us, you know. Like, I live on, you know, this is the front room where the street is, if you guys can see. So we don't want people looking. We got our little boombox, ghetto radio over there because we're painting, so, you know, we don't want to.
That's the painting radio.
That's the painting radio, exactly. I know all y'all know what the painting radio looks like. All right, all right. So that's our paints over there. We got some white and some sand beige. Okay. All my junk is over here. Look at this. See the walls? See, do you see what I had to paint? I got one red wall over here, one cream color, and then the cream color over there. Like, come on. So yeah, we definitely gotta paint that. But alright, so I'll be back a little later when we got a little bit further with this process. Alright, see you guys when we got some more done. Alright, bye. I went to Michael's, I got the drawers for my vanity. And yes, I know a lot of people have it, but honestly, I'm not like, I like makeup, I like to dress up. But I'm not like really girly, so I don't want like a fancy, snazzy vanity. I like this one. My sister actually has the actual Alex draw desk, and I love it. Like, it's just so simple and to the point, and I like it. I was having a little bit of difficulty finding the, like, well, I went to Marshall's, which had Home Goods in it as well. They actually had some stools. Some were cute, but not what I wanted. So I'm gonna keep looking. I didn't want to settle on that yet. If I can't find anything else, I'll go and whatever. I might be going to Five Below and check them out because I heard they got really some nice things. So I might go over there this Friday and get it. I just did it. I just got this stuff today, so I'm excited. I will be using my computer chair for now, or I do have another little stool I can use, but that's besides the point. So I gotta clean this up, and a lot of this furniture is coming out. This is the table that I usually record. This right here, with everything on it, sitting on here right now. I got these picture frames, they're gonna go on the wall. My brushes, just put them in some new container. It is so cute, I love it. So yeah, I got some stuff to put my palettes in, some acrylic. So yeah, we're gonna take out this furniture and get rid of it. I don't know. I didn't get a table to film because I have this big thing, but it's so big. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's perfect to film on. I can fit my computer screen on there and it's perfect, but I don't know. This is a pretty big room though. This is what we got done so far. Look at the page and radio over there. The shades are all coming down because I want to get curtains. My husband is over there doing the trim and the heaters. Painting the heaters. Look at man working hard. Everything everywhere. Like, look at this. Look at this. This is the before, okay? Got my soft boxes.
What are the odds? So
look, you guys. This video will be coming up.
5 years ago, and they were able to widen it a little bit. But they told
My
me
first boxy charm. Just got it a couple days ago. I'll give you a little sneak peek. I'll just peek in. I'm just peeking, okay?
vaginoplasty. Vaginal rejuvenation, right?
That's it. That's all you guys get.
Yeah. So
We gotta get
I
close
was
it. Okay.
skeptical, but it actually
Yep.
worked for her.
Who am I
So it's
watching?
like, you know
Who am I
what?
watching
Great
on
video
YouTube?
is
Look at that. Who's
videos
that?
for you. So you're ready for round two?
You want to do 30
Ready?
seconds of it?
Okay.
I don't want to get in
Another
trouble.
whitening.
Look at that.
Perfect
That
time.
is Jeffree
I give
Star.
these
Hey,
to
Jeffree
put
Star, we
everything,
love
But I do
you.
want to show you us coming out of anesthesia.
So, yep.
We're gonna
Yeah,
want
my
to-
brushes. I actually just did this the other day. And actually, I like it. I think it's cute.
Edited right here.
Just for now, these are probably gonna go on my ends. I got two of them on one on top of each other. Got my primers, concealers, all that good stuff. But it may come out. It's probably gonna come out of there because got my vanity now. So I got a lot of drawers that I gotta fill up. And honestly, I don't have that much makeup. This is just my makeup collection right here. I'm gonna make a video in a couple of days and show my makeup collection, but it's not that much. But hey, I just started, so it is what it is, right? So we're gonna put these drawers together and all that. And I'll be back. I'm gonna take them out the box and set them up, and I'll film me setting up one of them, so you guys can see how it's done. And yeah, let's get everything out of this room, and I'll be back in a few. All right, see you soon. All right, so we are back again in this little beauty room. I said I'm gonna set up one of these drawers on camera, and then we'll finish the other one after, just so you guys can see how these beautiful drawers are put together. All right, I already showed you guys the other one, the countertop piece. It's not real wood. It's what is it? Oh, finally! Oh my God, I couldn't think of this earlier. It's pressed wood. That's what it's called, pressed wood. Yeah, I don't know. You guys, let me know in the comments below. I'm pretty sure it's pressed wood, but let me know in the comments below, please, because everybody does these. You guys probably know exactly what they are. All right, so. This is every single thing. Let me stand up. This is everything I gave you. That piece right here. The boards. All those pieces in the middle right here. Okay, all that. All that. That's crazy. This is gonna take forever, but it's so worth it. Okay. Alright, so the beauty room is finally completed. I'm so excited. So now I get to show you guys after look. Okay, I am so red. Been going all day to complete this, so it's completed. I'm so excited. All I have to do is just get curtains for my windows. That is the last thing I need to do, but it's all good. So yeah, well, let's take a look at this, guys. Completed beauty room. Thanks for tuning into my channel. This is our beauty room officially done over, but we will be moving in a couple months, so it'll be new again. But I had to fix this up because, you know, YouTube is really special to me and I care about it. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to hit the subscription box below. Hit the bell right next to it for post notifications for me. That just lets you know when I post new videos, all right? Please help me hit my 1,000 mark for my 1,000 subscribers, all right? Make sure to click this thumbs up and like this video, all right? I will see you on the next one. Bye.